What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk light bulbs on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to open the trunk, just use the key. Right, there is a release over here. It's kind of hard to see. You just push down on the release right there. Slide it in, and then this piece slides out. You can disconnect the connector right here, just slide it out. To replace the trunk light bulb, we're going to take this cover off. Now, you don't necessarily have to pull this panel out, it's just easier to get to, easier to see what you're doing. So we'll take a straight blade screwdriver, flip right into here. There's a little release there. Release that lens, slide it away. You can grab the tab, slide the tab out, pull the bulb out. This bulb is a 10W, so we're just gonna slide this back in position. I'm just gonna grab this lever right here and put it right back there. Make sure it's in there good. Take the cover, slide that there, and then lock it in place. Hook this back up to the connector, lock it in place. And line the bulbs up with the taillight and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1AAuto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.